Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. First part of the question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, we have to split minus 3 in two parts such that their product is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 10. Coefficient of x square is 1. So, 1 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 10. Product must be equal to minus 10, and on addition or subtraction we get minus 3. So since product is negative, जैसा मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि यदि प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव हो तो हमें दो ऐसे नंबर लेना है जिनका डिफरेंस 3 के इक्वल हो. तो फर्स्ट हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 4 माइनस 1 से. 4 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3 and 4 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 4. So this number is not correct. We increase 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 and their product is minus 10. So we can take 5 minus 2. So x square minus 5 minus 2 x minus 10 is equal to 0. When we open bracket, it is x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So from first two term we take x common, it is x minus 5, and from the last two terms 2 common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So when we take x minus 5 common, x minus 5, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 5 comma minus 2 are required roots. Second part of the question. Again in the second part, product must be equal to 2 multiplied by minus 6, that is minus 12, and on addition and or subtraction we must get 1. Coefficient of x is 1, so we must get 1. So we start with 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, but 2 multiplied by minus 1 is not equal to minus 12. So next is 3 minus 2. 3 2s are 6. This is not correct. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 4 3s are 12. 4 multiplied minus 3 is minus 12. So this is the required number. So 2x square plus 4 minus 3 multiplied by x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. From the first two term we get 2x common, so x plus 2. From the last two term take minus 3 common, so x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 2, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So again we write either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here product of two number is 0. So product of two number is equal to 0 if and only if one of them is 0. So either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. When x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, and 2x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 comma 3 upon 2 are required roots. Third part of the question is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So when we multiplied root 2 with 5 root 2, we get 10. So we have to split 7x into two parts such that their product is equal to 10. So ये पॉजिटिव 10 है, तो इसलिए मैंने आपको बताया था यदि नंबर प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव आता है तो उस केस में हमें जो भी मिडिल टर्म होता है उसका जस्ट हाफ कर देना चाहिए. यहाँ 7 का हाफ 3.5 होगा, तो 3.5 हम नहीं लेंगे. क्या लेंगे? 4 and 3. ये दो पेयर होंगे. 4 plus 3 is 7, but 4 3s are 12, so it is not equal to 10. So हम एक नंबर को इंक्रीज करेंगे और एक को डिक्रीज. सो नेक्स्ट पेयर इज 5, 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 2s are 10. So we split root 2x square plus 7 into 2 parts such that 5 plus 2 x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Open the bracket. Root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. From the first two terms we can take x common. So root 2x plus 5. From the last two terms we can take root 2 common, because 2 is equal to root 2 multiplied by root 2. So from 2, if we take root 2 common, what left? Root 2. So we take root 2 common, it is root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Remember, when you take common, these two brackets must be same. So root 2x plus 5 x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So again, either root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 2 x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus root 2. So x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2 are required roots.